We are at Disneyland again because I have nothing else to do with my time. I have a friend with me, but they don't want to be on camera because they're dumb. But we've decided that it is the best use of our time to ride the train all day. All day. Brandon doesn't think we'll get past 3 times. Hopefully we get at least past 3, but we're gonna see how many times we can ride it before either they tell us to get off, they think we're weird, or we just get bored. So, I don't know how to do transitions. Round 1. Round 2. Finished round 2, we're getting ready for round 3. I'm being judged. I gotta go bye. We're actually only gonna ride this halfway. We're gonna ride to, I think, Toontown, then get off and go get some lunch in Star Wars Land. Yeah, we've gone through 4 rounds. We're gonna leave until 3 o'clock and it's 11:41. We're off the train. It feels really, really weird to walk because we've been sitting for over an hour. We're gonna go get some food in Star Wars Land. We're gonna try it. Hopefully it's all good. I'm excited. before we get back on the train, we are gonna make some stops for some pins and also hop on Pirates because, as I say all the time, is it even a trip to Disney unless you go on Pirates? Alright, we're going back to the train. We're at the New Orleans train station. So we're gonna disregard that half a train ride we took when we got up at Toontown. So this will be round 5 and we're leaving in an hour. So. Yay, round 6.
Don't forget whoever got you.
Last round. This is round 7. We've been here since we got here about 10. My hair is frizzy beyond reason. Wow, we love that. Got here at 10, and we took like an hour and a half break. Accomplishments. Yay! So we rode the train a grand total of 7 times? 7 times. Yay! Yay! Anyways, we're gonna leave. So I'm gonna end it right here. So hopefully you enjoyed a million time lapses and my feet on the train and all that boringness. I don't know why we thought this was a good idea. Oh well. Bye.